Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are ready to transform your space with stunning floor tiles, so whether you are renovating your home or upgrading, just looking for some design inspirations, you are in the right place today. We are diving into the world of floor tiles, exploring different materials, styles, and tips to help you choose the perfect tiles for your home. So let's get started. From classic ceramic to luxurious marble and durable vinyl, floor tiles can completely change the look and feel of any room. But with so many options, how do you pick the best one? So stick around as we break down everything you need to know, like cost, durability, maintenance, and the new design trends for 2025. Floor tiles plays a crucial role in both functionality and aesthetics of a home. So there are some key reasons why they are so much important for our home. Like first one is the durability. Tiles are highly durable and can withstand heavy foot traffic, making them ideal for high users areas like living room, kitchens, bedrooms. Tiles are easy to clean and maintain. They are resistant stains, water and scratches. Weather helps in keeping the home hygienic and looking fresh. And tiles comes in a wide variety of colors, patterns, textures and size. This allows homeowners to customize their interior and create a stylish look. Tiles, especially ceramic, remain cool and help keep the house comfortable in hot climates. They also work well with underfloor heating systems in colder areas. So friends, now we're going to know that which are the best brands for tiles. Like Kajaria is the most top brand. Another one is which is Orient Bell, and another one is the third one is the Somani Ceramics, Johnson. Another which is Simpolo Ceramics. These are the most popular brands are available in the India. So friends, now we're going to know that how much it will cost of tiles. Floor tile, there are different sizes are available like 2 by 2 square feet, and another one is the 4 by 2. So now we're going to discuss about the price for 4 by 2 tiles. The total area of the tile is 8 square feet. The price starts from 50 rupees per square feet. It totally depends upon the quality which you select. There are the different types of qualities available like premium, standard. So premium is the most top qualities are available. This tiles price starts from 70 rupees per square feet, and for standard quality the price starts from 50 rupees, 45 rupees to almost 55 rupees per square feet. So it totally depends upon our budget. So let me take the premium quality. So for premium quality the price starts from 60 rupees per square feet of Kajaria, which comes in a single layer. I'm talking about the single layer tiles and the glossy finish. So each tile will cost you almost 480 rupees. So in a box 2 by 4 tile, there are two tiles are available in a per box. So per box it will cost you almost 960 rupees. So let me take examples to understand that how much it will cost for your house. So let me assume that your house area is total carpet area is 500 square feet. So for 500 square feet we require almost 32 box, and each box price is 960 rupees. So we will multiply this 31 into 32 into 960. So the price comes is almost 30,720 rupees. So for 500 square feet area you almost require 31,000 rupees. So this is the way you can calculate as per your carpet area. So suppose your area is 100 square feet, so almost you require 7 box, and for 7 box we will multiply this 7 into 960. Per box rate is the total price is 6,000 rupees. So this is a way you can calculate each per box price is 960 rupees. So you have to first you have to take the total area and divide with 16. So you will get that how much number of box you require for your house, and each box price is 960 rupees. This price I'm telling you about the 2 by 4 size tiles. If you want to go with 2 by 2, the price starts from almost 52 rupees per square feet, the premium quality I'm saying. And if you go for standard, the price starts from 40 rupees per square feet. So friends, for fitting the tiles, the labor charges starts from 18 rupees per square feet to 25 rupees per square feet. It totally depends upon the location where you live. In bigger cities like Hyderabad, Mumbai, they are almost priced 30 rupees per square feet, 30 to 35 rupees per square feet, and in Mumbai also almost 40 rupees per square feet is there. So it totally depends upon our locations also. In our area, the price starts from 18 rupees per square feet, and if you'll fix 2 by 4 tiles, then price starts from 22 rupees per square feet. So friends, if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friends, please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video, and please like, share our videos to your friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.